We can't believe you don't do me this. Where are your kids? I don't know. Somebody will contact you. Where putting them there?
It is a sad day in TikTok land. Earlier today, Rosalie's two children, Barbar and Shantar, were taken away from school by Jamaica's Child Protective Services. So currently, they're in their custody. And Rosalie is currently in the process of retaining an attorney so she can get to the bottom of this and regain custody of her children.
Well, I don't know what to say. On this blood clot, but me I tell you say, all I know is so no wicked no blood clot. I do nothing. Sometimes some burden they you just feel like you just feel like you're fed up. You understand? Sometimes you have some burden you just feel like say blood clot. Sometimes I feel like I fuck it. Sometimes I just feel like I fuck it.
You know, you don't mean that, Rose. No, you don't mean that.
The world know I mean shit.